Hello, I'm Bill O'Donnell, Norfolk County Register of Deeds. I would like to invite you to a special evening the Registry is holding on Wednesday, November 8th from 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. to honor the veterans of Norfolk County. The event is part of our History Comes Alive program. During this open house, stroll the Registry's Great Hall and view the fascinating storyboards detailing the service of Norfolk County veterans from the Revolutionary War to present-day peacekeepers. There will also be a speaking program. Everyone who attends will receive a free copy of the Registry's third notable land records volume, We Remember Our Veterans. Each of the 28 communities in Norfolk County will have a veteran honored in this publication. The service of all veterans needs to be honored and acknowledged. You can do this by coming to this free event, which is open to the public. We hope you can attend. The Registry of Deeds is located in downtown Dedham at 649 High Street. If you have any questions, please contact us at 781-461-6116. Thank you.